Hi all, welcome to J2 Wealth. Let's go to the market news of this week. Let's start with world market news. The Swiss National Bank lowered its main interest rate by 0.25% to 1.25%. This marks the second rate cut this year. The inflation rate in Switzerland stays 1.4% in May 2024, and this is expected to stay for the rest of the year. The Bank of England has maintained its main interest rate at 5.25%. This is the highest in the past 16 years. Inflation rate in UK has reached 2%. This has been reduced from 2.3% in April, and this is the first time since July 2021 that the Bank of England has reached its 2% target. Industrial growth in China has slowed in May, but the retail spendings has exceeded than the expectations. US retail sales has increased less than they expected in May. This is because the gasoline prices were reduced so that the gas stations revenue were also reduced. Nvidia's market capitalization has surpassed the Microsoft's, making it the most valuable company in the world. Nvidia's stock price has risen 174% since the start of the year. This is due to the increased enthusiasm for AI. Let's move on to the Indian market news. The Union Cabinet led by Narendra Modi has announced an increase in the minimum support price (MSP) for 14 kharif crops for the 2024 to 2025 season. The increase ranges from 1.4% to 12.5%, with paddy being the most widely grown crop with a 5.25% rise in MSP. This policy aims for crop diversification as well as the government's aim to double the farmers' income. The number of new formal jobs created in April 2024 has reached 7-month high, and this indicates a recovery in the formal labour market, according to the payroll data from the Employees Provident Fund organization. The central government has collected about 4.62 trillion rupees in direct taxes so far this year after adjusting for refunds. This indicates a 20.99% growth rate. This includes 1.8 trillion rupees from corporate taxes and 2.81 trillion rupees from personal income tax, which also includes STT, Securities Transaction Tax. The finance minister met with the capital market participants ahead of the budget 2024. Now let's move on to stock news. SEBI has barred JM Financial Limited from acting as a lead manager for public issues of debt securities until March 31, 2025. India's Hinduja Group has planned to raise about 7,300 crores through rupee bond to fund its acquisition of Reliance Capital. Dhanalakshmi Bank has appointed Ajit Kumar KK as its managing director and CEO. PAYTM is reportedly in talks with Zomato to sell its movie ticketing business. LIC has clarified that it has not announced any formal proposal of entering the health insurance market. Adani Ports has received an environmental approval of Rs 45,000 crore for the expansion of Mundra Port. Yes Bank will hold a board meeting on June 25, 2024 to consider and approve raising funds. Vedanta Limited has announced plans to raise about Rs 1,000 crore on the issuance of bonds on private placement basis. Thank you for watching. For more financial information, subscribe to J2 Wealth.